Are you worried that your relationship is in trouble? Do you think your boyfriend doesn't love you anymore? In this video, I will tell you 10 signs to find out whether he does love you or not. In a relationship, it can be hard to tell if the other person really loves you anymore. But there are some common signs that someone doesn't love you as much as they used to. Here are 10 of the most obvious signs that your partner no longer loves you. 1. He's stopped complimenting you. If your partner used to tell you how beautiful you are constantly, but has now stopped, this can be a sign that he's no longer interested in you. If he hasn't been telling you for some time, it may mean that he isn't attracted to you anymore. Complimenting is an important part of maintaining a relationship, and if he's not doing it, then there's a good chance he's lost interest in you. 2. He's ignoring you. He might have started to ignore you or treat you like an afterthought when you're together. This shows that he's not as into you as before. He may even start giving you cold shoulders or making you feel insignificant. When a man ignores you, it can leave you feeling hurt and vulnerable. You'll need to talk to him about his behavior and find out what's going on. 3. He's become distant. Your guy may have shown interest by being affectionate and attentive toward you. Still, if he's suddenly becoming less communicative and spending less time with you, it could be a sign that things aren't going so well between you two. Being distant is never a good thing in relationships. It means that he's losing interest in you. This can lead to many problems in your relationship, especially if he starts avoiding you. 4. He's changed the way he talks to you. If he's talking down to you or criticizing you behind your back, this can indicate that he's starting to lose respect for you. It's hard to know whether he's doing this because he feels threatened by your success or genuinely thinks you've done something wrong. Either way, it's not a good idea to let someone else decide who you should be friends with. 5. He's jealous of other women. Understandably, men get jealous from time to time, but if he's jealous of other women, this could be a bad sign. Jealousy is often linked to insecurity and lack of self-confidence, making us question our values. If he's always looking at other women instead of you, it could be a sign of low esteem. 6. He's become secretive. If he's keeping secrets from you, this could be another warning sign that he's not happy in the relationship. Secrets usually indicate that there's something he's hiding from you, which could be anything from infidelity to financial difficulties. If he's keeping secrets, it's probably best to take a step back and reassess the situation before things worsen. 7. He's become controlling. Controlling people don't want anyone else involved in their lives. They try to control everything around them, including their partners. If he's trying to dictate where you go and who you see, he's not treating you right. If he wants to keep you, he needs to show you that you matter. 8. He's become possessive. Possessiveness is one of the most toxic traits in a relationship. It's not uncommon for couples to fight over petty issues, but it's a whole different story when it comes to jealousy. If he's constantly checking up on you, calling you late at night, or accusing you of flirting with other guys, he's taking things too far. 9. He's stopped listening to you. When we talk, we listen to what others are saying. When we stop listening to others, they start to feel unheard and unimportant. If he's stopped paying attention to what you have to say, it's time to reevaluate the situation. 10. He's lost interest in intimacy. Understandably, your man would want to keep up appearances and act like nothing's wrong, but if he's no longer initiating intimacy as much as he was before, it could be a warning sign that he's losing interest. In conclusion, if you're experiencing any of the above signs, your partner may be moving away from you. It is important to take action and address the situation head-on. Otherwise, it may lead to a breakup. If you are unsure of what to do, consult a trusted friend or family member for advice. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.